everyone. Today we are diving deep into demonstrative pronouns. What are they? How do we use them? And why are they important? Let's break it down. Demonstrative pronouns are words we use to point to specific things, people, or places. These pronouns help us show whether something is near or far and whether it's singular or plural. The four main demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, and those. Let's look at each one. The word pronoun this is singular. It means near. It is used when we are talking about something singular and close to us. It could refer to a nearby object, person, or even an idea. The key thing to remember is that this is used for one thing, and that's near. Coming to the next, that. Singular, which means far. That is used for one thing, but it's far away from the speaker. This can be physical distance or even time, like referring to past events. We use that when we want to point to singular that isn't close to us. Next, we have these. This is the plural form of the this, which also means near. But this is the plural form we use when talking about more than one thing that's close to us, whether it's objects, people, or ideas. These works when there's more than one and they are near. Coming to the next, we have those, which means far, and it is the plural form of the that. Like, that can be used for things distant in time, but the key here is that there is more than one thing referred to. Now that we know this, that, these, and those, let's talk about when to use demonstrative pronouns. There are the three main situations. First, we have the location. The pronouns indicate whether something is near or far from the speaker. Second, we have time. We often use demonstrative pronouns to refer to things in the past or future. Third, we have the focus. These pronouns help focus the listener's attention on something specific. How are demonstrative pronouns can be used in everyday speech? They are a part of our everyday conversations, whether we are giving directions, making decisions, or simply talking about something specific. We use them to be clear and precise. Now, here is an interesting part. We have the demonstrative adjectives also in our grammar. Now, what's the difference between the demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives? This, that, these, and those can also be used as demonstrative adjectives. The difference is that demonstrative pronouns stand alone and replace a noun, while demonstrative adjectives describe a noun. While using the demonstrative pronoun, we need to avoid some common mistakes. One mistake is mixing up singular and plural forms. Another is using this or that when referring to things far away. Be sure to match the pronoun to the number of objects and the distance from the speaker. Now, let's have a quick recap what we have learned so far. Use this for something singular and near, that for something singular and far. These is the plural form of the this, which means things which are near to us. Those is a plural form of that, which means things which are far from us. Now you are ready to use demonstrative pronouns in everyday conversations like a pro. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in my next time.